Hey, Professor D, it's Kane White. I'm part of your PE curriculum class, and this is my submission for video 1, the learning-based and activity-based assignment. First of all, my learning-based school that I did research on was Mesa Elementary School in Mesa, Arizona. My activity-based school was Collier County Public Schools out of Naples, Florida. Question 1 that asked, how did I identify the programs? Through my research, after I looked, I decided to identify my schools off of keywords that they used in their curriculum introductory. Mesa Elementary School, which is my learning-based school, talks about learning the joy and satisfaction of being physically active by composing each lesson with 4 parts. They introduce the lesson, they talk about the lesson focus, they do a fitness activity, and then they eventually do game activities. Though this program incorporates both learning and activity-based approaches, students receive more of a learning-based approach by teaching skills and teaching them certain things before they go into gameplay. It was a very good program, I feel. They did a lot of the juggling and rhythmical things like we do with Miss Huckabee. I looked that up. That's actually what we did today in rhythmical, so that was pretty cool to see that they do that as well. CCPS, my activity-based school, the keywords they used were they practice technique to achieve goals set by the curriculum for each grade. So each grade they have a certain criteria they cover, a certain set they cover. For example, their 7th grade focuses on activity by way of team sports, with small-sided games as a focus that leads straight into gameplay, which makes it more of an activity-based approach, whereas Mesa makes it more of a skill learning based on cues and stuff like that. Question 2, how do the two programs differ? Obviously, Mesa focuses more on individual performance and goal achieving, having individuals progress from one level to another was very important in their curriculum from what I read. Getting each child to progress is the goal of that school, whereas CCPS focuses on taking technique and perfecting it as a group through activities. So if gameplay may start out a little sloppy, they want to make it better as a group. They want to teach them teamwork and stuff like that through activities. Question 3, how would a visitor to each of the websites be informed about the best practices of the programs? I saw that on CCPS's website, they had sidebars very easily to navigate and find their PE curriculum. And then turns out that Mesa almost had a whole nother website with their curriculum and the description of it. So it was very easy to navigate for a visitor to both of these websites to learn about best practices. So that's all on the questions. So I'm going to go ahead and show you my research real fast. So there's the Mesa Elementary School Physical Education. Got some PE links and all kinds of stuff. There's the juggling. That's a pretty cool deal. So there's the Mesa website, and then here is the Collier County Public Schools PE curriculum. You go on their website, and then it takes you to a link on a PDF, 18 pages of stuff. So some very interesting information, and I hope to see you soon.